Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video we're going to take a look at the Solana price chart to give you an updated technical analysis of where the price could be heading and what the key support and resistance levels are. What I want to show you as well is that I am trying, and I don't know yet if it works or not. It will be the first attempt. I will try to upload this video as well to iOSTube. I have created a channel here, More Crypto Online as well. iOSTube is an ambitious project, a cryptocurrency project where you can earn iOS tokens while watching videos. I think one iOS token is currently worth around $1. There are rumors that they will be listed on Binance at some point. And I think it's still very early days. And to be honest, the videos that you can find on here are obviously not to the same quality necessarily, or at least not in the same quantity as you can find them on YouTube. However, a lot of people are on here already uploading crypto content. And it's still very early days. But by watching these videos and by watching the ads, you can actually earn tokens, and yeah, it's not bad, it's interesting. So I just want to try what happens if I upload a video there as well, and you can find a link in the description. If you like the concept, feel free to sign up as well on iOSTube. It doesn't cost you anything, but yeah, you can earn actually tokens while watching videos. Found that really quite interesting, and I think as the price appreciates of that token, then, which it probably will do in my view, as more and more people get aware of this, this could really could pay back for itself, really. So just really wanted to make you aware of that. You can find a link in the video description and check it out. Back to Solana. We are currently here, obviously, after we peaked here at around $260. We've come down in a corrective move. In my view here, part of a larger wave 4 of a larger wave 3 before we then continue to go up. Within that wave here, we need to be aware that we shouldn't really drop below that wave 4 here. So the bottom of that smaller wave 4 is at $178. Now we've come really close to that. We haven't dropped below that. If we drop below that, I think we will find support here at the 0.618 fib level, $175. But because we will then have crossed here the lower of wave 4 of the smaller wave 4, it's more likely that we actually come down further. Nevertheless, as long as we hold this level here and stay in this level above $178 and certainly above the 0.618 fib level at 175, I would assume that we are going to continue to go back up here into my target range that I've been having on this chart for a couple of weeks now, between around 310 and $345. So I'll leave it on the chart for now. After which, however, I would expect a larger correction then, because this is just what the wave count would tell me, basically coming down. And it looks, it doesn't look right, does it? Yeah, this is what it tells me now, 120, 250. But I remember when we were at around, I can't remember, 250 or something for Cardano, and I said we'll come down, in my view, down to below 180, certainly 180, but possibly lower. People also said it cannot happen, it's impossible, but we'll see. We'll see. That worked out, so let's see if this works out as well. I'm not going to say, it is 100% going to happen. Of course, nothing is going to be 100% happening. Nobody has a crystal ball, but it will be exciting and interesting to see if these Elliott waves play out as they should do. So let's stick with that for the moment. But overall, this descending wedge within which we currently are, it is a bullish pattern. We had a similar pattern on the Harmony 1 chart. Harmony 1 after that broke out to the upside from here. It is a bullish pattern with increased volatility. You don't find it very often on charts. It is quite hard to spot, but we've got it here on the chart, descending, broadening wedge, a bullish pattern, which also would tell me and confirm the view that we should really break out to the upside here. But again, nothing is guaranteed, but it's more likely to go up than not. That's what I think. I personally use this target area here to buy more. Obviously, we are just at the lower support level here. So for me, I would argue these are good prices to get into Solana. But this is no financial advice. This is only what I think and what I'm doing. So from here, I would expect then higher price. I would then look to sell some of my Solana and close positions in this area here, because after that I would expect price drops basically. Overall, waiting for that reversal here. We've got a little bit like a double bottom here, but it's not really a double bottom. It's a slightly lower low that we marked here with $183. That was yesterday. So however, we're finding really good support here, but we need to see now an emerging higher highs, higher lows to really see a first impulsive move to the upside. So that's really what I can see at the moment here on the chart. On the daily, we can see that we are now in the bearish range on the RSI, and also the MACD is deep in the red, so can't really see a reversal there yet. So we might actually drop a little bit more, as I said, before we then reverse to the upside. I just crossed also here the 0 line on the MACD. So yeah, a little bit further of a drop could be happening. Can't really see that. What we need to see here is higher highs and higher low structure. As I said, if we drop below 178 and then also below the 0.618, this would indicate much more of a correction. A larger correction could then be coming, and we could start to trigger here these lower support levels at 152, 122 US dollars. Overall, however, I think we should hold this level and then continue to go up from there. Really at the key decision point here, Solana at the moment, as well as Bitcoin is. So a lot of cryptos really are the key decision point that will determine how Bitcoin and the whole market really is going to trade in the next few days and weeks, and possibly even months. So hopefully you liked the video about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.